guys, welcome to another video, and this one is kind of going to be the same as the other ones where it's a video that I filmed a few months ago and I'm now just getting the time to be able to kind of talk about it. As you can see, I have my stock hood back on. That's a different story altogether. If you've seen some of my Instagram stories, you'll know why. But this video is about my exhaust system. As you guys saw when I went to go race in the BMW SCCA, I was getting flagged for being too loud. And what they made me do is I needed to quiet down the car, or either shift earlier, not go full throttle. And at that point, what's the point of even racing, right? You can't do your best times, you can't improve, you're kind of just coasting. So what I had to do is I had to put some resonators in place or inline in the car. So what I had to do was essentially find a spot where these resonators would sit, and I believe they're LCGP resonators. I have the boxes back there somewhere. What I needed to do was essentially quiet the car down enough to not necessarily affect the car, but no matter what you do, you're going to affect how it sounds. So unfortunately, my car does not sound as it used to, but that's okay. You know what? I had to make the sacrifice for me to be able to continue racing, especially with a lot of these restrictions that these racing companies have. So I had to do what I had to do. That being said, we put these resonators in line, so they're right before the secondary cats, and it did quiet down the car a lot. And you'll see in some of these videos, in the videos that are going to be coming up, exactly where we placed them, and essentially what the before and the after was. And it did quiet it down a bit. I think one of the startup was 130 decibels, which is stupid loud. And we were able to get it to at least 9, well, when I was flying by a full open throttle, it was about 100, a little over 100. But you'll see in the videos essentially where it landed. Kind of had to do what I need to do. And well, I'll just let the videos kind of show you where it's at.
110? Was it 130 last time?
Yeah. So as you saw, put in the resonators in, we put them in line, so that way we can take them off, put them back on if we needed to put in you know, anything else. So the good thing though is that I did do a couple runs with SCCA and a corner exit. Corner exit never told me I was too loud, which was good, because there was definitely way louder cars than me. And SCCA did kind of give me a warning. They said that I was at 92 decibels. Their limit was 95, even though on their website it said at 100. But either way, I wanted to make sure I can continue racing. Well, I let them know, hey, you know what? That was my wide open throttle. If that is what you guys measured, I'm not gonna get louder than that. Even then, even if I were to hit that 95 decibel limit, no one would know the difference between 92 and 95. It was a great experience. So I definitely want to give a big shout out to JBA. They were the ones who were able to give us the lift to be able to go and do that. But even more so, I want to throw out the biggest thank you to Randy. He took the time out of his day to come and help me put the resonators on the car and help me weld them in, kind of get everything kind of set up. And so I still owe the guy. So Randy, if you're watching, I'm definitely still owing you. But thank you to JBA, thank you to Randy for taking the time and helping me, you know, get where we needed to get to continue racing. The video isn't very long, so I just wanted to kind of keep it short, but you know, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing and commenting. And for those of you that are new, you know, there's a lot more stuff happening. Please check out the previous videos to see where the car started to where it is now. There's been a lot of changes since I first got the car. I will be doing some more videos and stuff like that. So, but yeah, thank you guys again, and we'll see you guys on the next one.